Under Muslim law, one special form of marriage is known as Muta, which means temporary marriage. The word Muta literally means enjoyment or use. In its legal context, it refers to a marriage for pleasure for a fixed period for which a certain reward is paid to the woman. The terminology Muta is used when the parties intend to enter into a temporary marital relationship for a specified or unspecified period. The intention of the parties at the time of marriage becomes the most important factor. If the intention of the parties is permanent marriage, it is called Nikah. If the intention is temporary marriage, it becomes Muta. Therefore, the determining factor is the intention of the parties at the time of entering the marital contract. Even if the period of Muta is unspecified or one party dies during the relationship, the character of marriage remains Muta and does not automatically convert into Nikah. According to the text, the institution of Muta was considered useful during times of war and travel. It was fairly common historically and is recognized mainly under Ithna Ashri Shia law. The text compares Muta with modern concepts such as live-in relationships, cohabitation and contract marriages. However, an important difference is that in Muta, the woman receives legal benefits flowing from marriage and children born from Muta are considered legitimate. For a valid Muta marriage, proper offer and acceptance are necessary. This creates a valid contractual relationship between the parties. A Shia Muslim man may contract Muta with a Muslim, Jew, Christian or fire worshipper woman. However, Shia women may not contract Muta with a non-Muslim. Persons within prohibited blood relationships cannot contract Muta marriage. The period of marriage must also be specified at the time of marriage. It may be for 1 day, 1 month, 1 year or even a lifetime. Muta automatically terminates on the expiry of the specified term. Divorce is generally not required. If the husband wishes to terminate the marriage earlier, he may make a gift of the remaining period known as Hiba-i-Muddat. Mahar is a necessary condition in Muta marriage. Upon consummation, the wife becomes entitled to the whole amount of Mahar. Children born from Muta are considered legitimate and capable of inheriting from both parents. Under strict Islamic law, maintenance may not ordinarily arise in Muta. However, under statutory provisions, maintenance may still be claimed in certain situations. The text also explains that through Kabin-Nama or marriage agreement, the wife may safeguard several rights and protections. The marriage agreement may protect the wife's rights, including freedom of movement, regular financial payments and restrictions upon the husband from marrying again during the subsistence of marriage. The breach of a valid marriage agreement does not automatically dissolve the marriage. However, it may confer certain legal rights upon the wife, including refusal to live with the husband, claim for dower and, in certain situations, divorce rights. Thus, Muta is a temporary form of Muslim marriage recognized mainly under Shia Muslim law. The most important factor in distinguishing Muta from Nikah is the intention of the parties. Despite being temporary in nature, Muta creates important legal consequences relating to Mahar, legitimacy and contractual rights.